When practicing scales, try to avoid using vibrato. If you already learn how to use vibrato, then this is not the time or the place to use vibrato. Really, you need to be using a plain sound to learn how to control the quality of tone without camouflaging it with vibrato. If you'd like to learn more about how this works, we can discuss this during lessons that I teach online. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also invite you to visit my website where there's more information about the lessons I teach online. Thank you for watching.